Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I'll be talking about how you can change the units from inches to centimeters and vice versa in Google Slides. So this is quite important if you're working within the document. So for example, if you have, let's say, an object, let's draw a random object, and you can go to format options, for example position, and you can see that here is written in inches. So for example, from top left, the dimensions for x-axis is 2.2 inches. If I go to size and rotation, you can also see that you can change the size in inches as well. And this is slightly hidden option, so you cannot change the units here. If I press on inches, this does not change. However, what you need to do is to change the language. The simplest way to do this is to go to File, Language, and then select, you can see English United States, so they use inches. If you press, for example, English United Kingdom, or you can choose another, for example, your own language if you prefer. But if I press United Kingdom, this will remain in English. However, the units will change to centimeters, as you can see right here, and you can see that the number has changed as well. But you need to not select or deselect the object and select again after changing the language. For example, if I go to I have selected the object and I change the language, you can see that inches change, but the number does not change, which is not true. If I deselect and select it again, you can see that the number has changed. So beware of this small detail, to deselect and select the objects you need to work with. So I hope that this tutorial has been useful. Please like this video so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel if you would like to see additional content like this. And thank you for watching, and hopefully see you guys in another video.